Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Crypto Global 100, and today we are going to predict Cardano ADA. So stick with me, and before that, this is an announcement that this is my WhatsApp number. Okay, if you have any queries or if you want me to predict any coins, please send your messages over WhatsApp. I regularly check my WhatsApp because I am inactive on the Telegram, so mostly I check the WhatsApp. So if you have the WhatsApp, please send me the requests on the WhatsApp, and then I'm gonna make a video on those coins. And right now, and on the downside, you can see no calls please, and you can send your voice notes or the text messages. Okay, so stop the screen, save my number, and that's it. Now let's head over to, first I'm gonna show you a different method today, which I have described in my early videos. Okay, not right now. For the past couple of days I haven't used this method, but today I'm gonna use this method. So this method is, you basically you do the analysis with the help of two the stats, or you can call these the Bitcoin dominance and the total market cap. Okay, we applied these two charts on the trading view. Okay, so first up we have this. You can take a look at here. I have drawn the levels for the Bitcoin dominance. If we watch closely, this is the area of support for the Bitcoin dominance. What usually happens, if you can follow the pattern of this Bitcoin dominance chart, okay, and if we take a look at here, what do you see? A similar pattern. Just take a look at here, Bitcoin price chart, and this is the Bitcoin dominance chart. So right now the Bitcoin dominance is near the support, and if it falls further, okay, if it falls further, we are going to see more fall price. The price is going to fall further. So you can see here also, we can take a look at the BTC. The price is near the support level, but if from this chart, by looking at this chart, you can see here got multiple rejections from this area. It is a very important area. This candle is showing what you see, 50-50 kind of situation in the market. The market is not either on the upside, either on the downside, but this candle is showing we might going down. We are going down. Okay, this area is going to broke soon, so you have to wait for that. On the downside, if we take a look at here, the total coin market cap, it is also near the support level. You can see here this red candle, it is near the support. So if this candle falls further, we might going to see alts gonna crash as well. So this is an important chart. Okay, you can compare these two charts and then compare with the real market price. So now I'm gonna head over to ADA USDT chart of the Binance. You can take a look at yourself. Here we have, okay, ADA is behaving differently because of the news. You can go and check out the news on the cryptopanic.com. Let me show you this one. This website is very amazing website. It's interesting, and let me show you. Just you have to type down the coin name and you're gonna get all the news. You can see here what it shows. Cardano on the verge of dominating Asia as ADA finally gets approval for listing in tough Japanese market. So this is the reason, okay, this is the reason that price went up here. Although every other altcoin have it has went down, but only this one, the Cardano, is moving on the upside. So if we take a look, just look at yourself, look at this chart. We have these levels 1.25 1.28 as the support levels. Okay, but I'm gonna do the swing high candle here. if I delete this one, we have multiple areas. What I'm gonna do here, let me show you this one. Okay, got it. Now this is a swing high candle and it is approaching this area of resistance. For now our next resistance would be this one, clear cut resistance, no question at all. 1.39, this is our next resistance. We need to break this level, then we would be in the uptrend. The next after that we would be testing this area here, 1.46. So these two levels are our resistance areas, 1.4615 and 1.3991. And on the downside we have, this is the closest, and now these two levels are the closest support areas. Okay, and this is a strong candle. You can see the volume on the downside. We have a good volume, sporting volume with a green candle, so it's a good sign. We surely going to break this area today. I'm very positive. But in case if the Bitcoin dominance falls further, okay, if it falls further, we might going to see this price is going to retest on 1.28. okay, this is what I think. But this green candle is very bullish. These type of candles give you bullish momentum. If on the contrary, you can see this was also the swing high candle, but it has a different shape because you can see a large wick on the upside, because there were a lot of sellers on this area. But you can see at the end of the day, this was green candle and buyers took the advantage and they took the victory, and that's why the price kept on moving in the upward direction. You can see here it is in the uptrend. So while it's on the uptrend from this area, we might going to see a move downside this area. Okay, approximately around here. If we go back in the history, I think, let me show you this area. Yeah, this one, 1.28. yeah. If it can go further, for example, if Bitcoin falls further, okay, if Bitcoin falls further, we are going to see the price to go down to this area, 1.28 to 1.25. Simple enough. Okay, so this is basically, my signals are based on the day trade. I don't do the signals on the long term. I do day-to-day basis. I don't I'm not gonna post that AD is gonna go to $10, $5. I always predict on the day-to-day basis. So if you have any requests, please send me that on my WhatsApp number. I will try my best to to predict those coins. I usually don't see the Telegram, that's why. And also YouTube comments, because there are hundreds of comments I haven't read yet. So I think that's pretty much it from my side, guys. ADA Cardano from my side. Thank you very much. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Take care. Bye.